Soaking in the acetone worked really well. They're all coming off pretty easily with minimal damage. Kind of impressed, not gonna lie. Okay, the hand I filed down first versus the one I didn't. I honestly find that it's easier with the hand that I didn't file down because the nails, once you soak them, are just kind of popping off. Whereas the hand that I did file, like a lot of it's kind of melting off and like kind of like little pieces are stuck still. So I'm probably not going to file it down first next time. I will deadass sit in this position on the floor for hours. Anyone else do that? Just me? Okay, so most of them have come off completely except for one or two. When I was skiing in Utah last week, a few, oh, heck yeah. Okay, I think we just have one more. So a couple of my nails fell off when I was skiing, and the kind gentleman at the front desk, his only solution at the time was Gorilla Glue. So I Gorilla Glued my Gel X nails back on, and it's difficult to get off to Gorilla Glue, to say the least, but one more, we got this. I am so close to being done. I basically just sat there and I watched an episode of New Girl and let the nails soak for the entirety of the episode, and they pretty much all just came off pretty easily. I was kind of wiggling at them, to be honest, while I was watching it. And bada boom, bada bing, thank God. Okay, this is what they look like right now. Not the best, but I have my handy dandy little electric nail file, and I'm just gonna kind of buff it all down like that. I don't want to destroy the nail, so I'm just kind of gonna go over it lightly, kind of like that. Got this all off of Amazon as well. My travel visa just got approved, so I can officially travel outside of the States, and I definitely need to spontaneously book a flight. If you just started following me, what you probably won't know is my thing before all of this content was travel content. And I was living in Mexico, I've lived in Australia, I've lived all over, so I think I might buy a ticket to go to Mexico to backpack with one of my girlfriends for a couple weeks. She has plans to go take the train from Guadalajara to Tequila, and you're just like chugging to Tequila the whole train ride to Tequila, so stay tuned for that content. I'm literally so excited. So the nails are looking a lot better now that they're all time to finish it. So I cut and I filed all my nails down to make them look all kind of the same length. And you just kind of want to buff them out to make sure they're not crazy rough. But we want like a little bit of texture, but you don't want to file them too hard, kind of like that. Like and follow me for the very last part.